Join me, let's learn the names of some instrumentation tools and their functions. Multimeter measures voltage, current, and resistance. Adjustable wrench, a wrench that can adjust to different bolt sizes. Clamp meter measures electrical current without disconnecting wires. Screwdriver, used to tighten or loosen screws. Oscilloscope, displays electrical wave signals. Signal generator, generates electrical test signals. Power supply, supplies electrical power to devices. Soldering iron, joins electronic components using solder. Desoldering pump, used to remove melted solder. Hammer, used to hit or shape metal parts. Wire stripper, removes insulation from wires. Vernier caliper, measures length, thickness, and diameter. Long nose pliers, holds and bends small wires. Side cutter, cuts electrical wires. Allen key, tightens hexagonal screws. Measuring tape, measures length and distance. Micrometer, measures small thickness accurately. Pressure gauge, measures pressure in systems. Flow meter, measures liquid or gas flow rate. Temperature sensor, detects temperature changes. Level sensor, used with rivet gun to shape rivets. Proximity sensor, detects nearby objects. Photoelectric sensor, detects objects using light. Infrared sensor, detects infrared radiation. Humid sensor, measures humidity level. Control valve, controls the flow of fluids. Solenoid valve, controls flow electrically. Actuator, converts energy into movement. Relay, switches electrical circuits automatically. Circuit breaker, protects electrical circuits from overload. Fuse, stops excessive electrical current. Terminal block, connects electrical wires safely. PLC, controls industrial machines automatically. HMI, allows human interaction with machines. SCADA system, monitors and controls industrial processes. Control pane, contains electrical control devices. Push button, starts or stops machines. Selector switch, selects machine operation modes. Indicator lamp, indicates machine condition. Alarm, buzzer, produces warning sounds. Transmitter, sends measurement signals. Converter, changes one signal type to another. Data logger, records measurement data. Calibration tool, checks instrument accuracy. Pressure transmitter, measures and transmits pressure signals. Temperature controller, maintains desired temperature. Tachometer, measures rotational speed. Frequency meter, measures electrical frequency. Infrared thermometer, measures temperature without contact. Test lamp, checks electrical circuits.